Hi, I'm Milton Powers, and I'm running for Steuben County Commissioner. Well, the key to what we're doing is economic development. See, it doesn't matter if you think the toll road lease was a good deal or a bad deal. The fact is, it's a done deal. We were given $33 million that we must invest, not spend. We can't be dribbling it out like it's in a piggy bank, a little here and a little there. And that's my contention. Where's the plan? Where's the plan so that the $33 million will be invested and that Steuben County will reap the benefit from that, so that years from now people will say, you know, they invested that money wisely. This is a better place for us and our kids and our grandkids. There are more opportunities here because of how we invested that money as opposed to dribbling it away on small projects.
So you're saying the original intent of that money was for economic development?
Along with infrastructure. You can use it for transportation infrastructure and economic development. The key has to be economic development. You do that, and the other things will come along with it. You'll get the infrastructure you want just based on the demand for it. If you have businesses coming to this community, if you have people coming to this community because they see job opportunities here, not just a recreation area. The other part of it is, of course, we need to preserve the lakes and lands we've got. Steuben County is not getting the lake area money we're supposed to get from the state. They've been using it for other purposes. Now, commissioners don't have access to or control over that money, but we can certainly make the case to the state and our state representatives, you can't be using that for other things. We've got to preserve and protect our lakes, and I'm not just talking about Lake James and Crooked Lake. I'm talking about all the smaller lakes in this county, Otter Lake, Ball Lake, Gooseneck Lake, and the many other lakes that have got to be preserved for generations to come. You know, the best thing I saw in Governor Daniels' State of the State address, and I perked up on when he started talking about it, was a new fund overseen by Lieutenant Governor Becky Skillman and former Congressman Lee Hamilton. $20 million to start with for the preservation of lands in Indiana. And it's a new fund, it's a new project. Steuben County ought to be first in line to get that money to preserve what we have here, this great place we've got. Then we use the Major Moves money for economic development. Well, I was born and raised in Pleasant Lake. Not many people can say they were born in Pleasant Lake, but I was. There's a small shrine there today, nothing fancy, just some campus. It's been a good community for me and my family for generations. All communities do one of two things. They get better, they get worse. They never stay the same. And it's our job as county officials to make sure that Steuben County's best days are in the future. And we can only do that if we're good stewards of the land and make good use of this money. Let's talk.